Welcome to today's video, where we will explore an innovative and modern technology in the world of oral care. Introducing the AI-S970KL/S970/S970/S970M4/B2, a device that combines advanced technology with smart design to achieve an exceptional teeth cleaning experience. Here are some amazing features of this device. Firstly, the AI-S970KL/S970/S970/S970M4/B2 comes equipped with ultrasound teeth whitening technology, which effectively removes stains and deposits without causing any harmful effects on the teeth. What sets this device apart even more is the presence of the efficient air scaler, which works to clean the teeth precisely and effectively. The stainless steel grip provides superior comfort during use, making the cleaning experience easy and comfortable. With the single water spray, the device ensures the efficient removal of debris and stains, helping to improve gum and teeth health. Don't hesitate to acquire this device that combines excellent performance with stylish design. Make dental care a pleasant and effective experience with AI-S970KL/S970/S970/S970M4/B2. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your comments and suggestions for more exciting content in the future.